Hey, it's Mitch and welcome back to my channel. This video is just a quick tutorial on how to prep your lungs and get prepared for your breathing exercises. It's what I do before I do my breathing exercises, to just kind of like a pre-workout to kind of clear your lungs of all the stale air and stretch out your bronchial tubes and just kind of get yourself ready for your breathing exercises. It helps with your mindset too, and it's going to exercise your diaphragm, and that's also good too for keeping that in shape. And also, in fact, it will move around your lymph node fluid, which is between the bottom half of your body and the top half of your body. So it's great to do it in the morning, to get things moving and get all your lymph node flowing and clear out waste from your body. Okay, so the way this works is you're going to take just a regular breath in and then just push all the air out of your lungs until you can't breathe out anymore. And once you do that, try a little bit harder to push a little bit more air out 2 or 3 times. Push more and more and more. And once you can't push any more air out of your lungs, then go ahead and breathe in. But what that does is it really exercises your diaphragm and gets it in shape. So once you've done that, go ahead and breathe in a full breath as much as you can, and breathe in. Once you've breathed in as much as you can, go ahead and breathe in and take a few more sips of air and push your lungs a little bit farther and farther and inflate them as much as you can in the opposite direction. And what this is going to do is stretch out your alveoli and stretch out your bronchial tubes and further clear out some air. So then just kind of breathe out and let it go, and then breathe normally for another 15 to 30 seconds. But you might repeat this maybe 2 or 3 times. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to find yourself hyperventilating or doing anything like that. You really just want to clear out the stale air from your lungs. You want to exercise your diaphragm and expand your bronchial tubes and your alveoli, and just get everything kind of just prepped. And also think about your mindset and what you're going to do for your regular breathing exercises while you're doing this pre-workout for your exercises. So now let me just go through it real quick. I'll do one round. I'm going to go ahead and breathe out all the way after taking a normal breath. And push it. Then breathe in all the way. More. Take a few steps of new air. Then once you've got your breath all the way in, kind of hold it and push. And this will kind of stretch out your bronchial tubes and your alveoli, and then just breathe out and breathe like normal then for the next 10-15 breaths, or 15 to 30 seconds. You might repeat this process 2 or 3 times, maybe 5 times. Just don't hyperventilate. So that's it. This is just a quick breathing exercise pre-warm-up that you can do before you get into your regular day of breathing exercises. It doesn't take very long. It takes just a few minutes, and it's good for you. So I hope you found value from this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe, and you can see when I've got new videos coming out all the time. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.